Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your ECOVACS DEEBOT N30 Omni. If you're interested in this vacuum or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So there's two ways we can do this. We can do this within the ECOVACS app, or we can use a physical button on the vacuum itself. Let's start with the button first, so we can pop off our cover here, and it's going to be hidden under this little rubber grommet. So go ahead, peel it back so we can get access to the button, and there it is. We have this little switch right there, so go ahead and hold that down.
Reset to default settings.
We just got the voice prompt saying reset to default settings, so hold it down till you hear that, and now we'll just give it a little bit of time to reset. We just had our startup chime again for that factory reset using the button, and it thanked us. And it's walking us through the initial setup. So very quick, took less than like a minute and a half total for that. The second factory reset option is within the ECOVACS app. Here's our robot right here. In the top right-hand corner, we have our settings. And at the very bottom, there's a delete DEEBOT option. So after deletion, you will need to re-add the robot to the app. So we can select delete. And it's been a couple of minutes. I thought we might get a chime again or something like that, but we have not. It's just been deleted from our account and it's ready for us or someone else to add to theirs.